Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm talking about ZCASH again. Is there a chance for a relief? Is there something positive coming? Let's check it out. Also, stay tuned throughout the video. I have a fun free surprise for you. Check that out as well. All right, guys, so here we are on Twitter. Well, obviously, if we look on Twitter right now for ZCASH ZEC, it is not looking good. There is basically every single person is bearish. There are a few, but I think right now with all the panic in this, especially this market, because the crypto market in itself is also a little down. I still think we're relatively stable territory. I still think there is room for some new highs. I won't say all-time highs, but we will see a few market pumps, I think. And I think specific altcoins will start going up, especially as some have fundamentals that are coming out, teams that are producing. But therein lies the key word, team. And ZCASH, of course, their team has stopped. Their team has quit. Basically, all that's left is the CEO and possibly some minor players. But basically, the whole development team, the whole team that built the project is gone. They quit and started their own project because of apparently some hostile workforce or work thing. So that is not good. That will definitely put a drain or a strain on the project. And I don't think the bleeding is done. Let's take a look. And mind you, these are daily candles. So this is massive selling volume when a lot of other altcoins are actually holding relatively stable. Like if we look at Luna Classic or some of the others I talk about, you see that they're actually a little bit green. Basically what we saw this similar pattern, and right here is where the team quit, and now we're seeing massive sell-off. So let's grab that 15-minute. So this is a point where you don't want to listen to an indicator, at least not yet. It is showing several good buying strength, but this is where technical analysis differs from fundamental analysis, as in a big fundamental change is that the whole team quit, and an indicator doesn't know that. So I think that's an important thing to note. Other than that, I love this indicator. I've talked about it several times already. There is a link to it in the description below. It also has a video of me explaining what this indicator is a little bit more in depth. Check that out. Feel free to. Fine. But ZCASH, I mean, this is massive selling pressure in a market that is holding relatively stable. So, and don't forget that we have already dropped quite considerably on all. I mean, it is, but that is massively off. Like that is a big selling candle, and it doesn't seem to be letting up. Like there is some buys have tried, but honestly, from a fundamental perspective, I always talk about fundamentals, that this to me is massive panic unless they start coming out with news like we have a new dev team, we have a new roadmap, we have new plans, we're gonna beat this. And yes, you can buy a little bit of the dip. Like you can say, I want to buy this to get ahead of the curve, but I think it's too soon. Like we need to see this level here. This level here should be break. Like if it breaks below that, that's where I would personally start looking for a buy on this. Because I didn't buy ZCASH because it had already gone up so much. And basically I missed the boat on this one, but I was too busy with other ones. And basically I was waiting for my opportunity to see a possible buy-in. But when I expect with news like this and basically no team working on anything anymore, I expect to see something below this. So possibly that level or this level, obviously maybe even lower than that, which without a team, I don't see a sustainable bottom. Like nobody's gonna buy an asset which is not, like nothing is guaranteed, but you want some form of assurance that it's going to make a profit at some point. And right now it has zero promise. So let's say it breaks that, bounce off here. That is somewhere where I would buy. So this is a place where I would place a buy, and possibly here. maybe a nice in between. Let's delete that. So like maybe there's maybe that level. This is somewhere where I would be buy that. So these are levels where I would be buying, but for now I'd say you don't want to catch a falling knife. Like you want to see some stability, you want to see some buys coming in. You don't want to be the bag holder for everyone that comes after you. So that is how I look at it. If you have a different idea, if you want to ask me anything, you want to have me talk about another crypto or another coin, feel free to join my complete Discord down below, and or it's also in the description. Feel free to to join that and ask me anything you like, or just hang out. If you want to find like-minded people, it is a completely free Discord group. Anyone can join it. Anyone can ask anything or share anything you want in there. If you want to find a fun community, join in. And if you don't like it, you can always again. Having said that, let's look a little bit more at the fundamentals. Like the market cap is still relatively large. Like I said, this is not a market cap I want to be buying with this bad news. And like I said, there are no signs of relief. This is, I think this is going to be one of the biggest crashes of this year if this continues. And the year is very young, of course, so that could be a positive or a negative statement in that regard. But like I said, there needs to be a fundamental turnaround in order for this project to have a life again, to have stability. And yeah, I'll keep reporting on it. Like, I think it'll be a fun project to keep an eye on, because I do believe a little bit in an underdog. Like same with Luna Classic, that had one of the biggest crashes in crypto. And I applaud. There's also the team without the owner. That the original team is still working on their original idea to bring their plan into crypto, into fruition, have it function like it was intended to do, instead of basically being one giant Ponzi scheme. So I applaud people like that, like hardworking people who want to help improve the world, improve their product, improve the crypto space. So I have a soft spot for projects like that. I hope ZCASH can recover, or maybe the original team comes out with a different crypto, not just a crypto wallet, and maybe we can see some big turnaround on this. I think that's where we need to wait. I think we need to have patience, but this is not something I would be buying right now. Like normally I am into DCA and buying dips, but I'm not buying falling knives. Like I'm not catching falling knives, buying massive panic in this. Like if the fundamentals are good and the token is dumping, I'll buy. 9 times out of 10 I'll buy, but this is not something I'm buying right now, especially now. All right, let me know what you guys think. Feel free to reach out, feel free to leave a comment. If you want to do me a massive favor, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.